What is YouTube automation? Is it really automated like they say, and how? Ever felt that YouTube content creation is a maze? Some paths lead to rapid growth, while others, not so much. What if there was a map? Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into this topic about what is YouTube automation, what's the fuzz about it, and how they're doing it. I've seen lots of videos of these so-called gurus in this thing called YouTube automation. They never get to the specifics. Well, of course, there's a course to sell if you want to learn. Instead, I decided to go on deeper and found out what is it about, how are they doing it, what's the process behind this automation thing. So after asking around and doing some research, this is what I got so far. So this is how it goes. We all know that there are 4 elements that we all need to make a YouTube video, right? Those are a script, a voiceover, video editing, and finally, but not the least, a thumbnail. By the way, this last one is, I would say, very, very important. This is where the automation comes in play. You are not going to do any of it, that's right. Nada, puff, zero. You're going to hire someone to do it for you. Yeah, you heard me correctly. You are going to pay someone else to make a script. Then you will hire another person to make the voiceover. Then hire somebody else to do the video editing, and another person will do the thumbnail. But it doesn't stop there. That is not the end of the process, of course. You need now to put all that together. But guess what? You are not going to do that either. Instead, they must, between them, establish some kind of communication so that they can pass along each part to the other. Maybe they don't know each other, of course not. You just hired them individually. Now you must make sure they find a way to work together on your project. At the end of all of this, that's when you will receive the final product, your video. Listen, I'm not saying that this is impossible. Look, lots of YouTubers are doing it, and by the looks of it, it's going very well for them. This is something that for some of you out there would consider knowing that you don't have to deal with the work that it takes making a video. But hold it right there, my fellow future YouTuber. Everything comes at a price, oh yay. You see, you must pay the person that makes the script, same as the person that makes the voiceover. And don't forget the video editing and thumbnail. You're going to find them separately. You can get them in platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Then comes the fee, what each one of them is going to charge you for this one video. That's right, we're only talking about one video. Maybe you're planning to upload more than one each week. I don't know. Maybe one video could come out between $50 to $100. I'm just saying that is something to talk about with them. It all comes down to your budget, how much you are willing to invest in something like this. Hey, by all means, if you don't have the time to make the video yourself and you do have that kind of money, well then, go for it. Don't forget to make sure that the people you hire are good at what they are doing. That is mega important. After all, it's your money. There's a few factors to take into consideration when it comes to hiring people for this kind of task. First, are they good at what they are doing? Second, how much are they going to charge you for their services? And let's not forget also how much time it will take this so that you can get your video. Anyways, I wish you the best of luck in your future YouTube journey. I honestly hope you get that video done and ready to upload. After all, we are all here to bring value and find ways to generate some income. Leave the fear behind. Please leave your comments below about this topic or anything. Even to say hi, go ahead and do so. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell for future content. Until the next time, take care.